Hi everyone, I'm back today to do a series of holiday arrangements. Since we've got Christmas, Hanukkah, all of that coming up, I figured I'd show you some stuff where you could give them as gifts, decorate your house, get in the spirit of things. So for the first one, I am going to do a little glass container, and I filled it around halfway with Hershey Kisses, the hot cocoa flavor. And then I cut a piece of Oasis to fit in, and I put it in a Ziploc bag. I also have a piece of aluminum foil that I'm going to wrap it in to cover the foam. And it's still silver, so it still goes with the holiday colors and it matches the Hershey Kisses. So then I just stick that in there. So I'm going to take a pair of scissors and cut the zipper part off of this bag so I can get to the foam better with my greens and flowers. And then whenever you water this, just make sure you water inside the Ziploc bag. And now I have a variety of greens. There's some boxwood I have, some pine. I also picked some holly and then some balsam, which if you have a Christmas tree, you can just, the bottom part that you cut off anyway, you could use that. And then I just start greening it. Let's see. Put a little boxwood. Just go all the way around. And I like to mix up my greens just to have some variety, but the boxwood is always nice and thin so it doesn't break up your foam too much. And then I always pull off the needles off the balsam off the bottom, give the edge a cut so that it sticks in nicely. And this does make a mess in your house, so you will have to sweep your floor afterwards. Or vacuum, or whichever. Because yeah, the needles, they definitely do go all over the place. I actually put one of those plastic tablecloths under my feet to try to minimize the damage. And the one thing with the different holiday greens, it does take a lot longer to green your arrangement. Put a little more boxwood. I don't think I'm going to put any holly in this one. I'll probably do that for one of the centerpieces I make later on. Let's just keep filling this out. I'll turn it around. See what spots I may have missed. And we've got a couple more pieces of pine. And there, the greening part of this is done. So you can either cut your aluminum foil, the excess, or you could crinkle it in, whichever, or a combination of the two. And then that one I pulled the branch out, but we'll stick that back in. And for this one, I'm gonna stick with like red and white. I have some little chrysanthemums. Break those up. I got them at my local flower shop. And then I'm just sticking them all the way around. I have a box under my table for all my scraps to go into, all the stems from my flowers, to try to minimize the mess. Red carnations and one rose, and I'm going to stick my rose right in the middle. And then put a carnation on two of the corners. And then I have some peppermint colored miniature carnations that I'm going to stick in. And those I'm just going to dot throughout where I feel they'll look the best. Oops. There we go. Just a couple more. And then I will add a little bit of baby's breath. And that kind of reminds me of snow. So we'll just dot a few pieces in here and there. And then I think I'll add a couple more of the little white mums. And then if you're just keeping it to decorate your house, you can call it done. But if you want to give it as a gift, then a cute idea would be to add some actual hot chocolate to it. And if you're crafty, you can put it in a bag, glue on it some eyes, a nose, a little pipe cleaner, and it looks like a reindeer. I will admit I didn't make this myself. My kids got this as a gift from someone because I am not that crafty. And then we'll stick that in. You could do that. Or another idea is to just take a little packet of hot cocoa mix, stick that in. You can also grab some peppermints. I put them just in a little saran wrap, stick that in, and there you go. You can give it as a nice cute gift. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that way you're notified every time a new video pops up, because I definitely intend to do a whole bunch for the holiday season. So thank you. I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.